Hi, my name is Vinette, and today we will talk about the differences with age groups biologically and psychologically between females and males. As a female develops from a girl into a woman, she experiences various obvious changes like menarche. The average start of growth spurt for females is 9.5 years old, and the average fastest growth spurt is 11.5 years old. They begin with developing their secondary sex characteristics such as breasts, pubic hair, and height. Females appear more mature for their age before they could even reproduce. Females are born with 400,000 immature eggs in each ovary, which then drops to 80,000 by puberty. And they release about 400 eggs throughout their lifetime. The male body also goes through several changes. The average start of growth spurt for males is 11.5 years old, and the average fastest growth spurt is 13.5 years old. Accelerated penis growth occurs before spermarchy. Unlike women, they are capable of producing before looking mature. When males are born, there are no sperm in their testes. Then they start to produce once puberty begins. Males produce 30 million to 500 million sperm per ejaculation. Now moving on to the psychological well-being of adolescents. Adolescents are more concerned about their sexual appeal. They also desire independence even though they are impulsive and have poor judgment. Adolescents are also likely to participate in risk behaviors like driving and drinking. They are heavily influenced by their peers, but they are also able to think more abstract compared to prepubescents. As for the psychological well-being of emerging adults, adults are more secure and understand their unique persona, but they are also seeking for what they want in life, and they are comfortable with asking for advice. Furthermore, adults are much better at abstract thinking. Also, they are not as easily influenced by peers. Adults are also better at decision-making skills. And finally, intimate relationships are important to them. And this concludes our lesson for today.